In this video, I will show you how you can answer or reject incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you're receiving incoming call on your Samsung phone, now to answer or reject the incoming call, just swipe on the answer button, which is the green button, to answer the call. And if you want to reject the call, just swipe on the red button over here to reject the call. But if you want to answer or reject calls on your Samsung phone by just tapping instead of swiping on the buttons, then just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. Now from this menu, just go to settings. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on answering and ending calls. Now at the top of the screen, you will find the option for gesture to answer calls. Now just tap on it, and from here, instead of swipe, just select tap. Now after you do that, then you will be able to answer or reject calls on your Samsung phone by tapping instead of swiping. As you can see, we have received an incoming call. Now I can answer or reject the call by just tapping on the button instead of swiping on the button. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.